I am obsessed with this chocolate milkshake. It is so good. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eat. Today we're making one of my all-time favorite summer drinks, this Bone Broth Chocolate Milkshake. And now if you're anything like my husband, you're probably thinking, ew, bone broth with a chocolate milkshake? How can that be good? Which is exactly what he said. But let me tell you guys, this is so good. The bone broth not only adds in nutrients to your chocolate milkshake, but it gives it like a very light flavor. And for me, it's like very nostalgic. It's very similar to malt. And so if you're gluten-free and you can't have malt butter and you want to make a chocolate malt, this is going to be very similar. Or if you're craving a chocolate milkshake and you just want to make it a little bit healthier, this is going to be your new favorite recipe. And all you guys need is 2 simple ingredients to make this bone broth chocolate milkshake at home. The first is going to be bone broth, and I'm using Kettle and Fire beef bone broth for this recipe. The beef bone broth is a little bit more neutral in flavor than the chicken, so that's why I usually use this one. But I've also made this with the chicken Kettle and Fire one too, because I always have that one in my pantry, and it's also delicious. You can use any kind of bone broth that you like. I would just stay away from flavored ones like turmeric or ginger or chicken, mushroom specific. I would just go with a plain beef or a plain chicken. And then we're gonna need some chocolate ice cream. And you guys can use regular dairy chocolate ice cream, like I have Strauss here, which is one of our favorites in our house. Or you can use non-dairy or vegan chocolate ice cream. Like I also have Cosmic Bliss, which is honestly my favorite chocolate ice cream out there. It's the one that I eat all the time, and I can have dairy, but I just love this one so much. So I'm probably gonna make it with this today. So the first step is gonna be adding 1 cup of chocolate ice cream to a blender. And if you have a pint of ice cream like I have here, it's gonna be about half that. And I'm just making 1 with this recipe, but if you guys wanna make more, you can just double or triple it. And now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of bone broth to the blender. And now I like a pretty thick milkshake, so that's what this recipe is for. If you want it a little bit thinner, you can just do a little bit more bone broth. And now we're just gonna blend this up. And now we have a bone broth chocolate milkshake. And now you guys can also add some fresh made whipped cream on top too, which makes this even better. This healthier chocolate milkshake is so good, you guys. You are going to love it. It reminds me of an old-fashioned chocolate malt, but a little bit healthier. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm obsessed with this bone broth chocolate milkshake. It is so good. You guys have to make this summer and try it. You will love this healthy chocolate milkshake. If you guys want more summer recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.